Today's show is sponsored by Freestyle Salon and Boutiques, located at 508 East Benson Street, Orleans, Indiana. Contact them at 812-653-6834.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, November 22nd. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Come see the show tonight. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. And now to Payton with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. Tonight, girls JV and varsity girls basketball will be home against Austin starting at 6. On Saturdays, boys JV and varsity boys basketball will be hosting a scrimmage against Clarksville starting at 7. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the weather today, we won't see any rain or snow as it has passed. Today we have a high of 46, a low of 35, and then on Saturday we have a high of 40 and a low of 31, and ending your weekend on Sunday we have a high of 48 and a low of 36. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.